What's up, guys? Quick little tip for when you're using the LiPo chargers, the Imax B6s or copies. I don't even know if it's a real one. I don't think it is. But get on Thingiverse, get someone to 3D print you some of these. Cool little stands, hold them up on a nice angle. Often I see people using other batteries as power supplies to run these. And they come with these little tiny cabled leads. Look at how small and thin they are. That's okay, but voltage drop's an issue. This one puts out 6 amps at all voltages, so it's starting to get a fair bit of current draw if you're drawing off a 12 volt battery to charge a 24 volt battery. So one thing that I've found works awesome, and the plug's right and just ready to go. Plug straight in. This is a switch mode power supply off a CCTV camera unit. This is the one that drives all the cameras and the box. Just the cheap ones. They're on eBay for bugger all. 14 bucks or something crazy. Take a little IEC lead like normal. They output 7 amps at 12 volts. And they're efficient. So if you're using a transformer based power supply to power your Imax, discharge and charge thousands of cells, you throw money away. Everything on this table that's currently running is running off the inverter over there anyway. Like this is all free power for me, straight out of the sun. It's about 10 o'clock and my batteries are nearly topped off already because I don't have enough storage, but that's what this is for. I've got 2 of these, picked them up from the scrapyard a couple of days ago. Just haven't had any time to get out the shed and play with them yet. They're 120 amp deep cycle, sealed lead acid, maintenance free lead acid batteries. What brand were they? Amptech. Yeah, AGM battery. So 120 amp hours. I'm going to do it with both of them just for the sake of it. I should just put them into use and use them straight away, but interesting to see what capacity it actually has left. I'm just topping it off with the charger at the moment. We'll get it charged. I might even put a normal big battery charger on it yet. Top it off with the charger, and then get the other one up here and top that off as well. When the second one's charged, we'll put this one on the discharger with the Imax. It only pulls 2 amps, so I know it's a low draw, but we'll draw it off and see what it does. But yeah, get your Imax up and on an angle like this, because they're just better to use, easier to see. If you're sitting at a desk or something doing other work and you're just changing cells out all the time, say you're building a power wall, it's the way to go because you can see everything. The heatsink's doing a better job because the heatsink's only at the top. At least the heat's going to go up instead of just trying to come out where the screen is and out the front there. Hopefully this one won't fry itself like my other ones previously have. Like I said, they're on Thingiverse and the Imax holder. And I printed mine out of ABS. I printed these ones out of ABS. I got some other ones in PLA. Just waiting for another LiPo charger to turn up. So get this one and its buddy into service, and I might see if I can't do some kind of kilowatt hour discharge test once they're full. Oh, there's the other one there under the power supply. So see if we can't link that one, these ones, and these deep cycles all together, and we'll just get rid of the lead acids. I know the setup's horribly messy at the moment, but just toying with second-hand batteries basically, and making sure that they actually work before we waste any more time or money doing stuff to them. So I'll stick some leads on this actually, and just use this to charge that one up, so that one's ready. And yeah. Only got 12.1 on the load side of the inverter at the moment, but that's only running off half the batteries. So what I've done is I've got these two separated from the setup. So they're on the left hand charge controller. They've got 12.1 sitting in them static, and all the power will be diverting to... No, sorry, other way around. We've got 13 sitting in them, and 13.1 is tearing down that lead, feeding those ones. I'll see if I can hold the phone, and I'll connect up this other battery. And here you go. Got 0.2 volt at the load straight away. But yeah, the way I've got it set up is all 3 solar panels come in and feed both charge controllers. So the whole system, about 750 watts, comes down there. I did also find a meter. We should be able to stick in line and work out our daily charge current. Now that the sun's come out, that's going to be a good thing to watch. It'll be very cool to see. And yeah, anyway, it's a bit of an update for you. Thanks for watching. Definitely, yeah, if you're using an Imax every day, or several of them, or 20 of them, or I don't know, some people are using these, some people are processing themselves different ways. But that power supply is pushing out 3.5 amp, 3.4 amps at 14.5 volts, and not a scary temperature, so it should be sweet. I've used a smaller one before, but you just can't go right up to your 6 amps because this thing needs more in-feed power. This should actually tell me, yeah, so it's getting 12.13 volts at that load, so it's keeping up. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll have some more videos out for you after the weekend, and hopefully we'll have some results on what kind of power we've got between these two, the other two, and the big 100 amp deep cycles we've got down the bottom as well. Thanks for watching. I'm going to the scrapyard to see if I can't find some more batteries. Oh, that's the big point. These are all recycled. None of these were new. I picked these up from the scrapyard, put the multimeter on these ones, and straight away with the multimeter I had 13.2 volts. So I thought, well, yep, I'd drag them out. I give them a quick spark across the terminals just to make sure it wasn't just like a surface charge kind of with no kick behind it, and they have tons and tons of kick. So see what happens. We'll get a capacity on each of them. Even if they're 60 amps each, half their capacity, they're still going in the system. It's storage, and that's what I need to harness all the beautiful Australian sun that we get down here. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next vid.